Hi, hello everyone. Today I am showing in a one another topic. This including in geoprocessing toolbox. So yes, before video I have showing in the one video in symmetrical difference. So this also will be including in geoprocessing toolbox. So today I am showing in the geoprocessing toolbox using in another topic. So this topic is the buffer. How to create the buffer? Okay. So today I am open in a sample data. This is the line features. Okay. So how to create in the buffer in line features? So at first you have to go to in vector, then you have to click in geoprocessing tool and then click in buffer. The buffer panel will be open. Okay, then at first buffer is a one algorithm to compute a buffer area for all the features in the input layer using a fixed or dynamic distance. You have to put it in input layer in your data. Okay, then you have to fix in a one distance or dynamic distance. Okay, so then you have to go to in segment parameter control a number of line segment to use approximately quarter circle when the creating rounded offset. So this is the segment. So how to create in the end of the line? Okay, so that is depend in your end. Okay, then you have to go to in end cap style. End cap style there are three type: flat, square and round. You have to choose in your own. Join style also in a three option: round, meter, bevel. You have to choose in your own. Okay, and meter limit also. Okay, so I have to select it in the distance in 2, in unit in meter. You have to choose in your unit. I have to select in meter. Okay, then segment I have to choose in 5 segment. Okay, then I have also select in end cap style in round and join style in round. Okay, and meter limit in 2. You have to change anything. Okay, so then I do not have change to another option, and I do not have to save in the file. So I do not save in my local system, so that's why I do not save to the file. Okay, you have to save in the local system, then you have to click in three button and save to file. Okay, then you have to click in run button. The buffer process already done. Okay, so this is the buffer. To how to measure in 2 meter buffer in this line? Okay, you have to zoom in one portion. This is your raw data in line features, and this create in the buffer in 2 meter. Okay, so you have to select in measure tool, then you have to approximately measure in this corner to in your line features. So that is the 2 meter buffer. Okay, both you have to click in this portion, that is the 2 meter. Okay, so this is the process. So how to create in buffer uh, in line format, sorry, in line features to create in the buffer. Okay, so this is the process. This is very easily and very helpful for us to create, how to create the buffer in your data. Okay, so if anything doubt and any thing you have not in understand, so please comment in my video section. I will definitely help you. So thank you so much. And so you have to new in my channel, so please subscribe and click in the bell icon. Okay, so thank you so much.